take a moment to say a word about Mayor Owen. He and I have partnered together, collaborated together. Some might even say we've conspired. But we've worked together through the years, and it's been a good relationship. It's been quite beneficial. We have, under his watch, and with the help that I have been able to provide to the extent that I was able to provide it, we've brought back to your city more than $22 million. I think Mayor Owen deserves a special expression of appreciation for the way he brings tax dollars from Washington, D.C. back to your city. Let's give the mayor a big expression of appreciation. I think it's appropriate for me to just take a moment and give you some of the specifics. $893 million for cops, community-oriented policing. This is important. If you are a business person, you understand the adverse impact that crime can have on your business, even if it doesn't impact your business directly. The indirect impact on your business is significant. $893,000 for the COPS program. $23,000 for bulletproof vests. He cares about his officers and he wants to make sure they're protected. $251,000 for crime victims. $634,000 in a grant for energy efficiency. $166,000 for traffic signal replacement. $366,000 Hurricane Ike relief. $463,000 for radio communication consoles. $589,000 for staffing to help in the emergency responses that you might have. And $250,000 for hazard mitigation study. These are just some of the things that he's done for you. I know that you've given him one expression, but when a person works as hard as this mayor does, I believe the least that we can do is let him know that it means something to us to have him on the job, working hard. Give him one more expression of appreciation, please. Mayor Owen.